connected.
Hi, Chris at Feridax. Today we're going to look at how we fit a Sena SRL3 to a Neotec 3 helmet. So first of all, we need to open the helmet up and we need to unfasten the chin strap. Once we've done that, we can feed that through the cheek pads and unclip the cheek pads from the inside. There are 3 popper studs. These can be peeled out and placed to one side. There are 2 panels on the side of the helmet. This is where the control panel will sit for the unit. Using the little Shoei tool, pop into the rear edge, pop forwards, and then these lift out. Repeat on both sides, and then we need to remove the battery compartment. Battery compartment, insert the tool into there, remove the cover, remove the sponge. We're now ready to install the SRL3. When you open your box, is gently remove all of the components, and it may look a little daunting when you first see it. Because this is a flip front helmet, we're going to be using the boom mic. If it was a GT Air, we would use the button mic. Very important to note the small arrow which is on the microphone and how that corresponds to the arrow which is on the speaker. You can see here there's a small arrow. Line these up and push with a click. First thing we're going to install is the battery compartment. Closing the front, moving around to the back of the helmet. This unit slots into the compartment at the rear. It goes in with a click. We then need to arrange the cables so that our microphone and headphone is not tangled with the other wires, and then we place this inside the helmet. Remove the ear pads. There's a recess here which is designed specifically for the headphone. Push that in with a click, and the boom mic has 2 small notches which correspond with the 2 notches on the inside here. We then move on to the mesh antenna, which is this piece here, the FM antenna and the control panel. There's a small recess here for the power cable. The mesh antenna has a small 90-degree bend which hooks around the back of the EPS for the chin pad. The FM antenna tucks neatly down the side. This is where this differs slightly from the SRL2, in that ordinarily we would be trying to tuck cables behind here. Because the Neotec 3 has much larger cheek pads, these wires can actually just sit in the recess here and be covered up. The cheek pad, we need to get this clip here to correspond with the white clip that is visible in there. These line up and engage with a click. Once it's engaged, pull the cheek pad back and reinsert around the sides. Once this is clicked in, we've got no wires. We can then pull the strap through. And re-engage the 3 clips on the inside of the cheek pad. If there's any wires sticking out, just tuck those away. There we are, that's one side done. So we just need to repeat now for the opposite side. So first thing, the ear pad, the headphone clicks in, control panel, front edge first, slide with a click, mesh antenna, slides down into this recess. You may find it can be a little bit tricky to get in sometimes, but give it a wiggle, it should get in. It goes now in here. These wires and connectors can sit there. And now we look to reinstall the cheek pad. So again, looking for this clip. It goes in. Three clips. And there we are. All we need now is a small sponge to protect the microphone. We are done.